Okay, let me just preface that I'm a noob with this stuff here. I'm aware that there is a drive belt down there. I just discovered that it's not spinning. It's on the spin cycle. I just put it on the spin. It was I put on the manual spin. It was down here somewhere. And it does everything it's supposed to do. It fills, agitates, rinses, but then it doesn't spin. And it does this. So that noise, that's actually, I found it. Oh, you can't see. Let me see if there's a flash. Shit. Hold on. Let me get a flashlight. It smells though. I can smell something like burning rubber or something. Hold on. Alright, so something's smelling. So that guy's working. That's the, I know what that is. That's the drain. And you see that? Oh, that's too bright. But that's spinning. The motor's spinning, but the belt is not. This light is too bright. So, what does that mean? There. So the shaft is going, but the belt is not. Oh, what happened? We finished. So that whole thing is supposed to be spinning, right? Let me check something. See if it's like... It doesn't feel safe. It feels hot. This doesn't look easy to repair. It feels tight. Tight and hot. I don't know. You tell me. Thanks.